That motherfucker's cold as shit. I ain't gonna lie.
What you know about rolling down in the deep?
Yeah, I definitely need to get back DJing. It's been a minute, so one thing that's been even longer since I last DJ'd was the last time I raced. This is my project car. My LTJunk. My 97 SS Camaro. Is it running? Is it fast? Well, no. Ain't nothing fast about it right now. Shit, it don't even have an engine. A lot of people told me I should like put a LS swap it. But hell no, man. I'm gonna keep this bad boy LTJunk 396 LT4 Golden Block Turbo badass with the side of juice. Once I finally get working on this, which I've done a little work because the engine's gone, as you can see. Interior, well, yeah, it's not looking too good. I plan on doing a 25/4 cage in it. I'm still gonna run like partial interior. In fact, we're gonna make this bad boy look clean by the time I'm done. And everything else, it's missing the S's. So I gotta get that fixed. But yeah, this is my project car. Got a lot of plans for it. And I'm gonna head over to my boy Luke's here in a minute. And I actually got to drop off some wiring for this car. All of this wiring that you saw in there, not just the engine harness, but like all the wiring is gonna come out. And then we're gonna swap it with something new. Hold tight. I'm gonna go pick up some food real quick. And then I'm gonna head over to my boy Raul Duke's. And we're gonna chop it up over there. So I'm my other G ride, and man, don't y'all hate when that happens? Y'all see that? Man, this shit ain't even got like 50,000 miles on it, and it's already got a check engine light. Let's take care of that for another day. If I was to take this to the dealer, I'm gonna guess, man, they're gonna charge me at least like an easy $1,500 to $2,000 just to change out a thermostat sensor. That's how much shit you got to take off to fix that. Anyway, I'm gonna go get some food, and I'm gonna eat, and then I'm gonna head over to my boy Raul Duke's. Just got my food, some sesame chicken and steamed rice. Man, I like how this, I don't know, this goes hard. I like how this intro goes. Yeah, I hope. I don't know, it goes hard. I'm a DJ, so. I ain't trying to get copyright strike. Oh yeah, I'm about to get my grub on. So I remember when I was in the Philippines, my friend Jade asked me, and she's probably gonna watch this video too. Like the first time we went out to eat, she asked me, so why do Americans only use a fork? And I told her it's because of efficiency. That was the bomb. And it came with a fortune cookie. Don't judge me. You can't possibly live long enough to live life by yourself. You judging me because I'm single? Really? Don't hate on the single life. Man, so I was like looking at my camera, and I just updated it like a few days ago, and this shit like erased all my settings. I was like, what the?
that sign say before you come down here to this bitch.
That's right.
Don't mess with Texas. Cause you know everybody around this bitch got guns. Hey, see y'all from Texas. We got Beyonce, try the truth and
where is the bug? 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 Where is the bug?
Finally pull up in this. What is that? Yeah, 55 caddy, baby. Hello? I was like, what's going on? What's going on here? Like y'all got a mini casino or something? These are the ones he wants me to relabel. What's going on, pimpin'? Oh, hey, what's up there, man?
You see him? His eyes and Macy's eyes? Like exactly. They both look
Yeah.
just like Luke.
Well, I mean, they came from you, right? They are your kids, right? They your kids. They your kids, right? Oh. It's that LTJunk. Man, need to put some WD-40 on this, huh? Just had what? Screen locked. My bad. I'm talking to the camera. Just at the spot, going over the wiring setup for the project card you saw earlier. I'll go over this at another time, but yeah. It's all gotta go. Make room for this. I don't know what that stuff is. I think this is where the church group comes and they you know, they play like No Limit Texas Hold'em or something on Sundays. That motherfucker's cold as shit. I ain't gonna lie. Man, I cannot wait to get this joker built, bro. This is my 396 LT4. Got the JE dish pistons custom. It's got a Cali's Racemaster crank and some 6-inch Oliver billet rods. I'll go over more of it once we get started, but it does have a little rust been sitting. You put some WD-40 on that bad boy. And it is cold as shit out here. And I forgot my hoodie. Man, y'all like Mortal Kombat too? Johnny Cage. That cat right there, keeping my 396 safe from rodents up in there taking shit. I mean, it's legit though, you know. Like, I'm not a cat person. All right, so let's get to the point. I'm not really a cat person, but I don't hate cats. I'm just not a cat person. But if this cat right here is gonna protect my 396 from any rodents up in there defecating all up in it, I'm with it. Hell yeah, just got finished chilling with my boy Raul Duke. Time to head back to the crib. If you haven't already, don't forget to like and subscribe. And thank you for watching.